Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Hello, kids! Today we will learn about daily routine in English. Let's say the sentences together. Ready? Let's go!
I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up early. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I make my bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a bath. I take a bath. I take a bath. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. I greet my teacher. I greet my teacher. I greet my teacher. I study in class. I study in class. I study in class. I read book. I read book. I read book. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I learn new things. I learn new things. I learn new things. I raise hand to answer. I raise hand to answer. I raise hand to answer. I come back home. I come back home. I come back home. I take a short rest. I take a short rest. I take a short rest. I do my homework. I do my homework. I do my homework. I help my parents. I help my parents. I help my parents. I water the plants. I water the plants. I water the plants. I play at home. I play at home. I play at home. I watch TV. I watch TV. I watch TV. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I clean my room. I clean my room. I clean my room. I read a storybook. I read a storybook. I read a storybook. I go to bed and sleep. I go to bed and sleep. I go to bed and sleep.
Great job, kids! You learned daily routine in English. Keep practicing every day. Bye-bye!